And here's an update on the no-till drill. So you can see how things are coming in. Okay, I'm out in the south end of the snake plot and just want to get a close-up of what's going on here. So here you can see a pea. I mean, that's probably 6 to 8 inches long. This is all the grasses. Yeah, you can see all the radish type stuff coming up. How are we doing on clover? Well, there's a little bit of clover there. There's a little clover, little peas. Oh yeah, and then you can see the clover down in that line right there. There's another line for a little bit, just so I can kind of see what's going on. It's October 12th, 2020, 8 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to the chiropractor, moving a game camera around, putting the Bushnell here in the, well, you can see where I am. There's the house right there. So I'm in the end of the snake plot right here. And I just saw this hole, like, oh, that's interesting. Something came out here and dug a hole. I wonder why I was digging a hole. And I look over here and you can see all the bee combs. So there was a ground hornet nest here that something dug up and decided to eat. I wonder what that would be.